Today we're leaving Venice and we're heading to Ljubljana, and we're doing it via bus. So this will be our first bus experience. Let's see how it goes. Getting on the bus. We've got almost 4 hours to get to Ljubljana. The bus looks pretty nice though. Made it on the bus. Feels pretty good actually.
There's AC.
And the seats are pretty roomy. So hopefully it is a smooth ride. We made it to Slovenia. That was a very easy border crossing. The bus was not too bad. It was about 4 hours. It was, for me at least, it was pretty comfortable. I actually fell asleep for a bit.
Yeah, the seat was very spacious. There was a washroom
On board. And now we got to figure out how to get to our Airbnb. I think we're gonna walk, but it is like a 20-minute walk.
I think we'll walk, that's fine. We've been sitting for 4 hours. Yeah.
It is very hot. We're almost there. That was a very long walk. It was about 25 minutes, but we've made it to our Airbnb and it is super, super nice. It's amazing having a full apartment again, and there's tons of space. We have like a hallway even going in, which is kind of crazy, and a full kitchen. A nice place to sit and work or eat. And the bed situation is really nice as well. I mean, it's more like 2 single beds just stuck together, but pretty good. And we even have a little closet that Sandy's hiding in.
Well, just unpack.
How's the Airbnb?
It's so nice. I feel like I'm in a little home with my full kitchen and dining table and like a seating area, like a coffee table and a seating area. Very nice.
We're here for 3 nights, so we will definitely make use of this Airbnb. But we're gonna take a little break from the vlog and we'll see you guys tomorrow, because we're gonna use today just to catch up on some errands and do some laundry. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.